Hey metal clayers! Today we're going to be talking about the different gauges that we have and the depths that are best for your individual projects. Starting with 0.5 millimeters. This depth is typically best for earrings. Next we have our 0.75 millimeter. These are better suited for projects where you need something a little bit thicker, like a pendant. And our 1 millimeter gauges work great for this purpose as well. Next, we're moving on to our 1.5 millimeter gauges, as well as our 2 millimeter gauges. These are best suited for things like rings and bracelets that come in contact with items frequently that just need to be a little bit sturdier. But those are the 5 depths that we have for our rolling gauges. And don't forget that you can stack these if you need to get a custom depth. One last note to make is to make sure you roll with an even surface. I like to do this by using several texture mats. You can see here some earrings that I was rolling out, and for these I did use the 0.5 millimeter gauge. Thank you!